Extremely local news is about to start. Theme song played on a tiny guitar. Welcome to Extremely Local News. News directly from our house to yours. Let's get after it. Breaking news, we've got reports of a giant hungry worm on the loose in the backyard. Let's check in there now.
Let's go.
Let's check the community calendar. The puppet show's in town, and they're playing the fireplace stage.
Flying all day, I'm dancing in the air. It's the end of the show.
Okay.
Everyone, it's time to meet the puppets, and you can have one if you want.
Are you guys actually selling puppets at the gift shop?
And you can have this one.
How much?
$3.
Oh, that's a pretty good deal. And in weather news, it's a rainy day, but that's not going to stop Ruby from heading to the playground.
Okay. I'm coming down.
Nice.
Yeah!
In Dada news, Dada's trying out a couple new hairstyles.
Do you like your new haircut?
Oh, let's see. Dad, Romy's hair salon. Oh, that does look pretty good. Looking good, Dada.
Looking very good, Dada.
Oh yeah, looks good.
What are you doing?
In drought news, the house is running low on water. Ruby and Romy are here to save the day. Oh, look at those two big girls. Super strong, picking up the 5 gallons with one hand only. They don't need any help. They got this. They ain't no princesses. Oh no. It's duck season. We learn more in this week's Nature Watch with Romy.
Wah, wah.
Oh, it's a duck. Hey, oh, who's in there? Ding dong. Hey! Duck? Who's there? Who's in there? A hot new restaurant just opened up on the front patio. Our reporter Ruby Dane is there with more. Ruby?
Thanks, Dada. I'm here at the hottest new restaurant in town. It's called Perk. And the customers are flocking here from all over the neighborhood. On the menu today, food feed.
Reservations are encouraged as seating is limited.
Back to you, Dada. Breaking news.
Breaking news, looks like somebody had a little bit too much for Thanksgiving dinner. And in more serious news, there's been an alien sighting in Ruby's room. Who's that? Scully. Yeah. Special Agent Dana Scully. And there's Mulder.
Oh, this is the blanket.
What's she gonna do? Is she gonna do the autopsy? Who's under there? Whoa, an alien? Let me see that guy. And there's another alien right there?
Put the blanket on. He has a bushy feet, too.
He does. Well, that's it for the show. See you next time, Mom. Thanks a lot for sending those 20 ponchos. It only rains here once every 2 years, but thank you very much. On this week's Daddy Show, Daddy's getting into all sorts of trouble. What are you doing, Dottie? Grrr, Dottie! On the next
Daddy show.